What's up guys, my name is Alex, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to be eligible for the community tab on your YouTube channel. So make sure to hit that like button down below, and I would say let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run through on my computer what you guys need to do in order to get the community tab on YouTube, because many people have been saying you need at least 10,000 subscribers, and I have seen channels with 3,000 subscribers and they already have it. Well, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to be eligible on YouTube to get this community tab. So I would say let's get started and let's see how it all works. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, we are on youtube.com/user/JustAlexHalford/community, and this is basically the page where the community tab is located. Now, this video is all about how to be eligible for getting this tab, and it's going to be pretty simple. So basically what happens is, I think to be able to get considered to get the tab, you need a great channel. And what I mean with that is, as you can see right now, I have a nice 2018 new YouTube banner and also a new profile picture to basically spice up the channel. That is basically one of the requirements. I think that might be some rumors that you have to, have a decent channel in order to get the tab as well. Make sure to watch it until the end so you also will see the brand new outro. With that being said, let's proceed. So what we're gonna do is, once we have our banner set up and our profile picture set up, you also want to go ahead and click on the about button. So let's say that you want to have like a nice description and a nice email address for business inquiries, and obviously some social media links at the bottom to basically, don't have like a really, a bald empty channel. Obviously that won't, end up in getting the community tab if you don't have, a nice rolling channel, obviously. So once you've filled everything of that in, obviously what you can do is you can also manage playlists. So that means if you upload a video, you can create different playlists, as you can see right now, and sort them. So once we have set up that, what we can do is we can actually contact YouTube. Now what we can do is you can click on the get support button when we Google that, and then we can just be on one-on-one conversation with someone from Google, and you can maybe ask for that if they want to apply the tab on your channel. But the most important rule is, like I said also in the previous video, you need at least 10,000 subscribers. Now I can already hear, Alex, I have 20 subscribers and I already have the tab, or I have 3,000 subscribers and I already have the tab. Well, that is just basically YouTube has been testing out this community tab, obviously, and yes, some smaller YouTubers will have this tab. They don't pick the channels like really accurately, so that's why they only will give it to 10,000 subscribers or more. What I can advise you is just go ahead and first dress up your channel a little bit with a profile picture, with a description, with a nice banner, obviously. And obviously you also need videos, because who's gonna get 10,000 subscribers without videos? Those are my videos, as you can see right here. Pretty simple. So you can also click on the community tab, and what you can do in order to get the tab, it's just a brief overview. Make sure that you will just have a nice banner, profile picture, etc. And then you can also try to contact YouTube and ask for the tab, and let's see what they say. So that's it guys, that's how to be eligible for the community tab. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to smash that like button down below, and I would say I'll catch you guys in the next video.